Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So, I'm doing a late night edition here, guys. After after my fiance got home, I showed her uh, Extreme More Than Word, and that kind of tripped her out. And then uh, Phoenix or 95.1, the Phoenix told me to look at how many albums Extreme had. Well, I remembered three. There's actually five, and yeah, it was a little bizarre. And so we decided to go ahead and listen to another really popular song, Wholehearted. Now, I figured some things out tonight for myself. I think I caught one of these Mandela effects a long, long time ago, back in the 90s, and I think it changed back in the 90s. Now, first of all, at 1 minute and 15 seconds, and I mean, both times where he says, if I'm not blind, why can't I see that a circle can't fit where a square should be? But now, both times, he clearly says a circle can fit where a square should be. So now, a circle can fit where a square should be. You can slow it down, hear him saying the same thing. And that happens twice. And the other change I noticed a long time ago, guys, and where he should say, apparently, rivers flow into the sea, yeah, even the sea's not so full of me. Well, years ago, I swore, and then I got told I was wrong, and got showed I was wrong on the lyrics and all whatnot, and whatever. But I heard him say rivers flow into the city, yeah, even. So he says rivers flow into the city now instead of rivers flow into the sea, but he drags it out. My fiance wasn't convinced of what I heard either until I slowed it down to 25%, and right where the second voice pops in to say even the city's not so full of me is where he drops that T in, and then it's city. So twice in the song he says rivers flow into the city instead of sea. And that's two more changes. And so and that's changes from the official lyrics, changes from what everybody told me and thought that I was wrong. So I was wrong. But now I find out I wasn't necessarily wrong. So here you got it, wholehearted. You got your change is going to equal your variance percentage times your title plus your song. There's two words in the title of wholehearted and four changes. So you got 4 equals variance percentage times 2 plus 214, and your final equation becomes 4 equals variance percentage of 216. And your variance percentage is 1.9. So extreme wholehearted with 4 changes is at a 1.9. And there it sits. I don't know if you can see what all's in there, but in that pink, and this is still under 3 at 1.9 here. I might have got a little carried away on my highlight, but my dot's in the right place, guys. So that's it. Extreme wholehearted. You can thumb me up if you thumb us up if you remember. Well, what the heck? This one's one that I caught a long time ago, guys. Rivers flow into the city. That's what they say. It should be apparently rivers flow into the sea, but I remember this changing a long time ago, apparently. So do, I guess, what you want with it, and definitely, guys, this hole in my, or the hole in my heart. Excuse, you'll have to excuse me. It's late. That a circle can fit where a square should be. So I guess you can thumb us up if you remember a circle can fit where a square should be. And I don't know what to do with the rivers flowing to the sea because I remember city there where he said that. So it's a tricky one for me. I suppose you're looking for people who remember sea or city. I don't know, guys. Yeah, do what you want with that one, but that there it is. Wholehearted at 1.9% variance. Rivers flow into the city twice, and circle can fit where square should be. So that's going to be it for now, guys. I've ran this video long, and thanks for all your thumbs up and your thumbs down and comments and subscriptions. And I plan to listen to some of these other songs that have been pointed out to me, or bands that have been pointed out over the weekend if I get a chance. So if I find anything, we'll report it. And my fiance might even get to her residue video this weekend. I don't know. she she mentioned one and then, then never got to that. So that's a thing that happens. So sometimes she'll be doing that, and won't set a timeline on that one either. But that's going to be it for now, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. And for now, you guys have a great rest of your night.